Hello everyone, welcome to CATIA tutorial. I am V. Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Kids Warangal. In this video lecture, I am going to show how to create a pocket while drafting its faces and filleting its edges. Now draw one 2D sketch on top surface of the previous part drawing. This is the sketch 2. Now choose the drafted filleted pocket. You can select this drafted filleted pocket from pocket subtool or another option insert menu sketch based features. In this you can choose drafted filleted pocket. Now select the sketch. The drafted filleted pocket definition dialog box appears and the appears it show the first limit, second limit and draft angles and three different fillets. Now enter the first limit of the drafted filleted pocket. I am entering 32 mm. Now selecting a second limit is mandatory. Here the second limit is mandatory. Now I'm choosing this pad 1 top face as the second limit. You can see here the second limit is pad 1 face 1. Uh, this your specification for creating the pocket are now added in the specification tree, that is pocket 1 draft 1 edge fillet 1 edge fillet 2 edge fillet 3. Let's go on with the draft definition. You can see here it shows the draft angle. You can enter the required draft angle value. I'm entering 8 degrees. This is your optional. If you are required, you can enter the angle value here. If you don't wish to use this capability, just you uncheck the angle option. Now, next one is check the second limit option to define the neutral element. So note that the pad top edge is also used as neutral element, already selected in the second limit here. So no need to choose this second limit. The next option is fillets. It shows three different fillets. First one is lateral radius. Lateral radius means it defines the fillets on vertical edges. Second one is first limit radius. Define the round corner fillets. Second limit radius means it defines the fillets on edges of the second limit. You can enter. You can change the values of fillets that is depending upon the given sketch. This option also optional. If you don't wish to use this capability, just you can uncheck the these options. Uh, Now click preview if the application can compute the fillets properly. If you want to deactivate this fillets, I want to deactivate this second limit radius. Just you can click preview. In the specification tree, it displays this displayed as deactivated feature in the tree with a red parenthesis. You can see here when you deactivate that feature, it shows with red parenthesis in the specification tree. Now uh, click OK to create these features. if you look at the specification tree, you will note that you have created one pocket, one draft, three fillets, that is edge fillet 1, edge fillet 2, edge fillet 3. This implies that if you want to edit the drafted filleted pocket, you need to double click on the appropriate feature. For example, if you want to edit this edge fillet, just you can double click on this edge fillet 1. Just you can change the value here. Now I want to enter 8 mm. Just click OK. The radius is increased from 5 to 8 mm. This is the this is your new part of the this is your new part. This is the step-by-step explanation of how to create drafted filleted pockets in CATIA V5 software. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.